So the bear crawl is an underappreciated exercise that's going to impact your core health, your movement health, shoulder stability, core stability, all this stuff, and it can be used for conditioning as well, and you can even strap yourself to a sled to make it tougher. But a lot of people mess it up. It's not done well very often, but it's something we should be able to do. First things first is we need to understand how to set up for best results. I like having people set up with one fist and a knee closer together, because that's going to make the reciprocal movement that we need from hands and feet a little bit more straightforward. So I'll put one knee, one hand closer together, pop up, and you want to make sure that as your knee comes up, as you walk, the knee stays just above the ground. We don't want to be bunching up. So the same distance that you walk with your hand is the same distance that you step. So take it slow. And I would encourage you to make sure that if you have trouble with keeping balance, put a plate on your back so you can actually balance, put a light plate on your back and walk, just so you're not wobbling around, and make sure that those steps are equal size. And I would even encourage you to take a step and stop between each step, just so you're not bunching up. So take your time with this one. It's going to take a bit of work and a bit of coordination, but the benefits are real. You'll get some conditioning work, some better movement out of it. You'll feel better when you're walking around as well, and your core is going to be better off for it. So that's the bear crawl. I usually time it for like 10 to 20 steps, or even just distance-wise. But do it 3 sets along. It can be a filler in between some strength work, or even as a conditioning circuit as well. So that's the bear crawl. Great exercise. Work at it. Take video of yourself, and let me know how it goes. Put a comment in the comment section if you need anything.